You pair of ugly cunts.
Daniel, you sexy motherfucker, do you come here often?
Shut up, bitch, get out the way, bitch, get out the way. My dog has a slightly enlarged penis.
Daniel, in between my legs are most moist and I would appreciate a light finger rubbing.
All you bitches and all you hoes, bitch. Sometimes I cry in the rain, that way you can't see my tears.
Oh god, oh fuck, oh god, error, oh yes, 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 nearly. Nearly. Oh yes, yes, take it to the bridge, oh yes, right there, oh fuck. Oh yes.
I have a wet vagina. What the fuck happened to Bob?